Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Rachel. It's lovely to have you here today. We're going to be doing a standing bar workout, nice short one today, and all you're going to need is a chair. So go ahead, get yourselves ready, and I'll see you in a moment. Okay, so I want you to mirror my position. So you've got your chair here and you're going to have your feet together. All right, we're going to draw the tummy muscles in and just let those shoulders come down. Hand is going to be on the hip and we're going to start with the right leg first. So that's this leg here. We're going to take that leg forward. We're then going to try and turn it out from the hip, bring it back and close. So you're going to go forward, turn out, turn in and close. Forward, out, in and close. So we're going to keep going with this. This is going to work all the muscles of your glutes and the hips. So a really nice one to do to tone up the bottom area. 2 more. Forward, out, in and back and forward, out, in and back. Let's go on to the other leg. So we're going to point, turn it out, turn it back and close. Point, out, in and close. Point, out. So I want you to really try and point those toes as well. So you're working the muscles in the feet. Point, out, in and close. Point, out, in and close. 2 more. And close and point, out, in and close. Well done. We're going to keep those feet parallel, tummy muscles in, and we're going to inhale to bend the knees, exhale to straighten. So nice rounded arm. So you're getting a little bit of work in the arms and shoulders as well. So we're bending and straighten. Plie, we call this in ballet. We're doing a parallel plie, bend and up, bend and up. Bend and up. 4, 3, 2, 1. You're going to hold it here and we're going to lift the heels up. Okay, so heels are off the ground. We're going to do little pulses for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now from here, I want you to straighten the legs, bring the arms all the way up, and then lower down. Let's repeat. Bend and straighten. We're going to do 8 this time. 3, 4, and 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold, lift the heels, little pulses for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lifting all the way up and coming out. Now from here, I want you just to turn the toes out so you can feel your bottom muscles really working. Okay, heels together. We're going to repeat the movement. So it's a bend and straighten, bend and straighten, bend and up for 4 and 4, 3, 2, 1, hold it here. Now lift the heels, keep the heels together, little pulses, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, lifting all the way up, 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 and lower down. Let's repeat. Bend, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, hold it here, lift the heels, and pulse, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, lifting all the way up and lowering down. Okay, so from here, you're going to take your chair, you're going to place it on the other side. You're going to bring your feet back together. We're going to repeat from the top so we get all the work on the other arm. So bend and straighten, bend and straighten. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold it there, lift the heels and pulse for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lifting up, keep those heels up, pull the tummies in, shoulders down and low. Repeat. Good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold it here, lift the heels and pulse for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lifting up, heels in the air, tummies in, shoulders down and lower. All right, let's turn the feet out. So in our V position, here we go. Bend and up, bend and up. So always keep this shoulder down. Think of this arm nicely rounded. Bend and up for 4, 3, 2, 1. Now hold it here, lift the heels up. Try and keep the heels together. Try and keep those legs turned out and pulse for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lifting all the way up, up, up and lower down. Last time, bend and up, bend and up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold it here, lift those heels, keep the heels together and pulse for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lifting all the way up, 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 all the way up those feet and lower down. Well done. So you're going to take your chair and place it back. And I'm going to make you keep moving this chair because we want to work the upper body as well. So that's what we're doing. We're now going to take the leg to the side. Okay, so I want you to lift your arm up and take it out. We're going to try and hold it out. And what you're going to do is point the toe, bend the knee, point and come back. So it's point, plie, point and close. Point, plie, point and close. Point, plie, point and close. Point, bend and close for 3, 2, 1. And close. Well done. Bring that arm down, lift the shoulder up, roll it back, and now bring the arm all the way up in the air. Keep this shoulder down. Now you're going to take the leg out to the side, pointing the toe. You're going to lift it up, and you're going to bend at the knee, so toe touches your other leg, and extend. In and out, in and out, in and out for 4, 3, 2, 1 and close. Well done. And we're going to turn around. Okay, and we're going to take that chair a little bit further away. We'll come back to the other side in a minute. Hands on the chair. And we are going to bend the elbows. So we're bringing the body down, but you can feel a little bit of stretch in the chest. And then you're going to raise the leg up behind you. Okay, so keep that position of your body, and now you're just going to lower the leg and lift, lower and lift, lower and lift, lower and lift for 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift and hold it there, and if you can, you're going to bend both knees so we're parallel and extend. Bend and extend. So don't let your upper body collapse. Think of chest out. Bend and extend. Bend and extend. Bend and extend and bend and extend. And if you can, we're going to pulse it up for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and come on down. Okay, should we try the other side? So lift your chair up, take it over, standing tall. All right, so you're going to bring the arm up and take it out. And then here we go. Make sure the chair's not too far away for the first one. So we're going to point, bend, point and close. Point, bend, point and close. Point, bend, point and close. Point, bend and close. 4, 4. 3, 2, 1, and close. Well done. We're going to bring that arm all the way up, shoulder down. We're going to take the leg out to the side, and then we're going to bend, extend, bend, extend, bend, extend, bend, extend. 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, and close. Well done. Turning towards your chair. Okay, so it's the other leg behind now. So remember, we want this leg straight, hands resting on your chair, and then bending the elbows. It's like a little tricep press up, a little press up position there. Chest is nice and open. And then we're going to lift and lower, lift and lower, lift and lower, lift and lower. 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're going to hold it here, and now we're going to bend both legs and extend. Bend and extend. Bend and extend. Bend and extend. It's quite hard this, isn't it? And extend. 3, 2, 1. Extend out little pulses up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And come on down. Now keep your hands on the chair, make them parallel, and just step back. Okay, so stepping back, and now you're just going to stretch out that chest. All right, so just sinking down as far as you can go. Now take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, I want you to tuck your tailbone under, rounding the back, and then I want you to send it the other way, sticking the bottom out and extending. It's a lovely stretch, tucking under and then going back the other way. Tucking under and going back the other way. Good. It's like a little ripple of the spine and back. Tucking under and back. Tucking under and back. And last one, tucking under and back. Well done. Walking into your chair. There we go, and that's you done for today. So it's a little taster of a basic bar workout. I hope you liked it. Do press the like button and do let me know. And I look forward to seeing you again soon. Take care and bye for now.